Hello there. Welcome to Mission 4, Lesson 4, where our student objective is to identify, define, and draw parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay, so as we recall yesterday, or the previous lesson, was to identify, define, and draw perpendicular lines. And as a refresher, those were two lines that would intersect and form right angles. So today, the difference is we're going to find out what parallel lines are. And you know what? As much as I'm sure you love hearing my voice all the time, thank you. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. You can stop clapping. Thank you. Why don't we take a little break from me today and have our good friends Tim and Moby, who live on Brain Pop, tell us all about parallel and perpendicular lines.
Hey, what's that for? I don't know. Hopscotch? Dear Tim and Moby, what are parallel and perpendicular lines? From Joe. Parallel lines are lines in the same plane that never intersect. They're always the same distance apart. Well, here, I'll show you. Hang on, I'm not going to cook this spaghetti. Just watch. We can think of these two sticks of dry pasta as lines, say lines A and B. Even if lines A and B were to continue on forever, they would never intersect or cross each other. So we say that lines A and B are parallel. We can call those lines C and D. If we extend lines C and D, we can see pretty quickly that they intersect. We can say that C and D are not parallel. Well, check this out. When a straight line crosses parallel lines, it's called a transversal. Where the lines meet, the adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. And opposite angles are of equal measure. Yeah, neat, huh? So those are parallel lines. Perpendicular lines intersect to form a 90-degree or right angle. Here, lines F and G are perpendicular. See how all the angles formed are 90 degrees? Well, if two lines intersect without forming a right angle, they're just called intersecting lines. Yeah, that mysterious square you drew has examples of both parallel and perpendicular lines. The opposite sides are parallel, and the adjacent sides are perpendicular. You can find examples of perpendicular lines all over the place. The same goes for parallel lines. What the? Okay, let me get this straight. You cut a hole in the floor, which interrupted the movie, and will get me in trouble. Then you fell into the hole and can't get out. And now you want me to throw you a rope or something so you can get out and cut more holes in the floor? Interesting. I'll see you later.